world, this is your girl Yana of Yana's Eyes coming to you with a review. I got another Influenster box and I'm super excited about it. This will be my third box from Influenster. The first box was 2 lipsticks from CoverGirl, and then the second box was Pop Beauty, and they sent over a palette, setting spray, as well as a highlighter, and it was super duper cute. And this box is from CoverGirl again. Don't tease me, CoverGirl. Do not tease me, okay? It just comes in tissue paper, and then I'll be able to try a base and foundation. A base and foundation for CoverGirl. So if you are interested in seeing what kind of finish I come up with, keep watching.
They come for your dream, come for your work. They make you mean, they make you work. They take your work, they take your work, your self-esteem. They make you hurt, they make you hurt. They make it seem like it ain't worth it, but it's always worth it.
Alright, so I'm back, and I just did something for fun because this is all about the foundation. The CoverGirl Simply Ageless Anti-Aging Foundation Primer, and then the CoverGirl Plus Olay collab Simply Ageless Hyaluronic Complex and Vitamin C. Okay, so it's like a built-in moisturizer. I'm not going to do my regular routine with everything. I am really just going to use the primer and the foundation. Now, it's a big difference. I picked this color, I will say, and Toasted Almond sounds like me. I know that I am a little lighter now because I've been indoors. But as you can see, this one from CoverGirl looks significantly lighter than my Maybelline. But I'm going to give it a shot anyway because my complexion has changed. I only needed 1 pump, and this is about a pump and a half. But I'm a master massager. I'm gonna give it a little fan time because I did get heavy-handed. It's thicker than lotion, but it's thinner than the e.l.f. Luminous Matte Primer that I have been using. Has a light scent that reminded me of lotion, that's why I'm comparing it. I like that, I like how that's looking. Okay, CoverGirl, make me a believer. The real test. Man, if you have been watching me for a minute, then you know that this is significantly lighter than my the shades that I've been wearing. I used the Yana's Eyes foundation brush yesterday, so it has Maybelline on it. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to just go in with a beauty blender. Okay. So I'm going to actually do my foundation with a brush and a beauty blender. This brush comes from the Crystal Clear set from Yana's Eyes. So it has like a, I guess, a toasted almond kind of smell to it. probably a lot too, this brush is too soft for this job, but I'm just gonna roll with it. This is a lot lighter than I'm used to. But I can't say it's not a match. The true test is going to be with pictures, because again, that looks like my complexion. It don't even look like I put anything on, to be honest. So, what do I review? I'm gonna review how this thing dries and everything. Like I said, it's gonna be all in the picture of how the flash comes back or how the lighting picks up on the foundation. But I like it. I probably would go one shade darker, but as far as the finish, CoverGirl, 2 snaps. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look. Hope you can stick around. Okay, this is my final look. For the lips, I almost wanted to go like real bold, but this is lavenderish. Is that what it's called? This is like a lavender lip gloss from Pat McGrath, and it looks better in the mirror than it does in the camera. I can say that even though I feel like this is a flawless finish on me, my makeup routine included, this will be 10 times better. And then when we incorporate the solid foundation brush from Yana's Eyes, then it improves 100%. But I like it. It has like an almond kind of scent to the foundation. The primer is quick drying. It's light enough. The foundation, it's like a collaboration between CoverGirl and Olay, because it seems as though some of the moisturizing factors inside this is from the Olay. And if you've seen my last one, I've been using Olay for my foundation routine. So go back, check it out if you haven't. I've already been using it, so I was on to something, okay, before my time. But CoverGirl plus Olay, Simply Ageless foundation, and then the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Anti-Aging Foundation Primer. I do like them both. I am going to try a foundation that's a shade darker. So the one up from Toasted Almond, I'm going to try that. Even though I think it helps with my contour. It's my perfect winter shade, but I live in Florida, so there is no winter. But right now I'm in the house, lots of AC, so this is like my winter. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to put on some hair, take a few pictures, and wrap this thing up. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. I have some things coming in that of course I would love to review with you. And we're just going to keep this thing going, you know? Just keep it moving. So this is your girl, Yana of Yana's Eyes, saying, like this video, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So this is your Captain Cutie saying, see ya when I see ya. Peace.